Differentiation of explicit functions. What is explicit function? If we have a function in which x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable, such that the dependent variable y can be written explicitly in terms of x, such a type of function is known as an explicit function. For example, y equals to x square minus 3 is an explicit function. Now the question is, how do we differentiate explicit functions? So there are 4 rules that we can use to differentiate such functions. Let us discuss them one by one. First, we have scalar product rule. According to this rule, if f of x is a function and c is constant, then derivative of the product of c and f of x will be the product of c and derivative of f of x. For example, let f of x equals to 5 sin x, then f dash x equals to 5 into derivative of sin x equals to 5 cos x. Second, we have sum and difference rule. According to this rule, if f of x and g of x are 2 functions, then the derivative of sum or difference of f of x and g of x will be sum or difference of the derivative of f of x and derivative of g of x. For example, let f of x equals to tan x minus cot x. Then f dash x equals to derivative of tan x minus derivative of cot x. The derivative of tan x is sec square x and the derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Therefore, f dash x equals to sec square x plus cosec square x. Third, we have product rule. According to this rule, if f of x and g of x are 2 functions, then the derivative of the product of f of x and g of x is given as the derivative of f of x into g of x plus f of x into the derivative of g of x. For example, let f of x equals to x sin x. Then f dash x equals to derivative of x into sin x plus x into derivative of sin x. Derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of sin x is cos x. Therefore, f dash x equals to sin x plus x cos x. Fourth, we have quotient rule. According to this rule, if f of x and g of x are 2 functions, then the derivative of the quotient of f of x and g of x is given as derivative of f of x into g of x minus f of x into derivative of g of x divided by g of x square. For example, let f of x equals to this. Then f dash x equals to derivative of x into x square plus 1 minus x into derivative of x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 square. The derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x. Therefore, f dash x equals to this. So these are 4 rules of differentiation that we can use to differentiate explicit functions.